hubungan seks dengan Datuk Sri Anwar, tetapi juga mempunyai beberapa orang boyfriend lain. Malahan Sukma pernah berkomunikasi secara intim dengan seorang pemuda Irish dari Dublin pada 17 Jun 1998, di mana antara petikan perbualan yang dirakangkan adalah seperti berikut.
You sound so good. You sound so good, so sexy.
Oh, well. It doesn't go very well, you know. How what, 14,000 miles away or something horrible like that? My penis isn't that long, you know.
Oh, don't say that.
Well, you have Jahan there for that, haven't you?
Huh?
You have your man there for that, haven't you?
Yeah.
How is your relationship going?
Still?
Still?
Yes. Still good.
How are you after your operation?
Well, now that I've become a virgin again,